Here's our tip for the day. So today's about heat embossing. So I'm just here getting my stamping done, but I want to heat emboss this image afterwards. Now, I don't like mess. I don't like granules, embossing powder and things everywhere. So once I've stamped, usually what you'll do, you'll come along with your embossing powder, you'll sprinkle it over, and a lot of people get a sheet of copy paper or something to put their powder onto, or they'll bend their cardstock like this and try to be clever and pour it back in. I guarantee no matter how small a piece you're working on, you're always going to get bits of powder actually on the mat, the surface you're working on, whatever it may be, and they brush away. You have to go and hoover them up. They get stuck to other things. It's really frustrating. So what I do is, let's just re-stamp this again, just so I can show you. So what I do is do the stamping, but then I will pour my embossing powders into like locked tubs. So these tubs will be sort of in the cookery aisle, and they are flat and have a wider area. So I can use a spoon, scoop my powder on and tip it off much, much easier, much cleaner, with very little mess. There we go.